ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या आप उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं, किस कारण से करते हैं, इसके बारे में?
Thank you very much. Today, we on behalf of the TIPRA Student Federation, we are having a press meet. Today here with me is my president, Mr. Samrat, and my joint secretary, Mr. Renu, and Town and College Committee Vice President, Mr. Anish. Today we are glad that we have you all. Today the reason why we are sitting a press meet is that the state has witnessed 1 month ago and several months ago the movement of TSF. What are we doing in demands of Romance free for copper? We have started with a movement in different division and district, and also submitted the memorandum to the Honorable Governor of the state. But we get no response from the governor's side. So 1 month ago, 28th of August, we are bound to call 12-hour strike within the state of TIPRA. Firstly, we thank all the people who have supported us and all the student organizations, social organizations who have supported us in the movement. But till date, the government of state and government of India has not responded us. So we are looking forward. If the government is not ready to respond and ready to hear our voice, we will definitely take our movement and level it up. And this is not a movement of only native indigenous people of the state. We also appeal our brother of Bengali community, our brothers and sisters. We have seen in the past what you all have experienced in the struggle of language movement. We have seen the Basa Andalan, and you all will better understand what is the struggle and respect that we pay to our own language. So we appeal, this is not only a movement of the native indigenous people, but as a whole, we appeal you all to participate in this movement. The government of India and government of state, we appeal you once again. If no response is given from your side, we will be bound to move a greater movement. Secondly, we have seen few days ago a press meet done by the TIPRA Mothani. Tomorrow, 30th of September, the strike is called by TIPRA Mothani. Since very long, we have supported the regional party as a TSF. So for the greater interest of people, we support the ban 12-hour call by the TIPRA Mothani tomorrow. Any question?
आप लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आप लोग TIPRA मोथानी ने जो वन कॉल किए हैं उसको आप लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
Yes.
किस कारण से कर रहे हैं और इससे एज अ स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आप लोग किस कारण से उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, इसके बारे में?
See, you all know that as a indigenous student organization, we have supported and worked with the regional parties since very long. So, for the greater interest of the people, we have worked with the regional parties. So, we stand for tomorrow ban for the greater interest of the people that has been called by the promoter.
सर, दूसरी एक बात है कि आपने जो रोमांस के बारे में बात की, तो देखा जा रहा है लैंग्वेज एक जाति के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रखता है। इतने दिन से ये हो नहीं रहा है और आप लोग भी बहुत बार, अभी आपने खुद फिर बताया कि बहुत दिन से आप लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो अगर ये फुलफिल नहीं होता है और आप लोगों का अगला स्टेप क्या होगा, किस तरह का मूवमेंट होगा, क्या बोलना चाहिए?
See, we all know our movement, it's more than 50 years. And the government of India and government of TIPRA, they are not paying attention and giving that importance. We can see clearly. We have started our movement since very long, but this year We started our movement from district-wise and submitting memorandum to the governor of the state. And we was bound to call a 12-hour strike within the state. We have seen the different Australian organizations has supported us. Even the Congress student wings, the NSUI, they have supported us. But recently we saw the news that the state president of the NSUI of TIPRA has been removed. The reason is supporting the TSF in demands of Romance Bill for Cockburn. We don't understand what is the national party trying to pass a message to the native indigenous community of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people? Are their voice not being heard by the center? And it is not the first time that we are fighting for our rights. We have seen, as I have mentioned, we have seen our brother from Bengali community have seen the movement of Basa Andalan. They know the struggle. Why the movement has to be done? Why all of them has faced all the struggle? The reason is they love their language. They want their language to be respected. That's why we can see, even on 21st of February, the language day is observed. Even in India and in the state of TIPRA also. So why the government of India and government of TIPRA are not paying attention to us? That's why we appeal the people, both from all the communities, to participate in this movement. Because we all love our language, we respect our language, and we believe that it's our right. In which language we want to express it. So we appeal the government of India to immediately look into this matter. If not, we have only called 1 month ago a 12-hour strike. We definitely are planning to go for a greater step. We don't know what will the step will be taken. The time will come, but we are ready for any greater movement.
सर कुछ पहले आपने बताया कि एनएसयूआई का जो प्रेसिडेंट था उसको निलंबित किया गया है कि उसको हमको जितना पता है कि ये सपोर्ट के कारण से नहीं, उनका पार्टी का खिलाफ वो गए थे इसलिए उनको रिमूव किया गया। आपके पास कोई जानकारी है कि आपके सपोर्ट करने के कारण से उसको निलंबित किया गया, ऐसा आपको कैसे पता चला?
See, what we see that we have speak out. So the internal matter that will be known by the party. So what we have seen and what we have saw in the news and all, they have claimed that he is removed because he has supported the TSF ban 1 month ago. So for this reason, he was removed. So we only know this. But if there is other reason, that is their party internal matter.